Guys, I beg guys, leave everything where they do, listen to.
Under Tinubu. Now, you want to go to Southwest? His own people? Who are the people that started crying we are hungry? This is the government that has punished Southwest more than any other government in my life. I know the Southwest people to be people who work hard and they want to enjoy themselves after working hard. They are no longer badoing. They are now suffer head. If you go to Southwest now, you know, oh my God, Dodoni, Benny. I lived in Lagos for 17 years. We like to enjoy when I had my shops in Idumota. So when we walk in the evening, you come and see enjoyment. It is no longer there. What you are seeing is begging. This government has reduced Yoruba people to beggars. I know what I'm talking about. Yoruba people that like to work hard, brilliant guys. I was taught by some very brilliant professors of Yoruba origin when I was reading my law. I so much like these people. Now Tinubu has reduced them to beggars. No more Eku Badu. It's Eku suffering. That's what is happening in Southwest now. And he wants the Southwest to come and vote for him. Of course, they didn't even vote. Lagos State did not even vote for him in 2023. I believe that the other Southwest states will join up and remove this man. They are suffering. If you go inside the villages in Yoruba land, you will cry. And I know what I'm talking about. Let them prove me wrong. Are you talking about the North Central? No. Let's finish the South. Are you talking about South? Tell me any zone after going through what Rivers State went through. 6 months of their resources being carted away by strangers. You're from such zones outside. And you're thinking, is something wrong with you? Are you talking about North Central? You're from Benue, you're from Plateau, you're from Taraba. Look at Kwara State now. These are places that used to be peaceful. Look at Kogi. Look at Niger. Tell me who is in North Central that will remember Tinubu in 2027. You want to doubt me that he's not a one-term president? If there is anything like half-term president. Some APC members vowed with their blood. Some of them have even died. And even in their dying wish, they were saying Tinubu is a one-term president. And I'm talking about people like Jesus Onopasa. He came out. Even when he was dying, he was saying Tinubu will be a one-term president. I'm sure in the spirit world now, as a spirit, I'm sure he's fighting to make sure that Tinubu is a one-term president. APC member. Look at what's happening. You want to talk about Northwest? Look at what they are going through now. Is it the Northwest that will come to support him? I don't talk about Northeast. The governor of Borno has cried and cried. No, we are safe. So who is it that will vote for Tinubu? Please let me know. Let me know. So if there is anything like half-term president, that's what it would have been. But no, the worst he can be is one-term president.